Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna talk about or show you the ways to transfer money from Binance to PayPal. To transfer money from Binance to PayPal, you could follow the steps. First thing first, open up your Binance application and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. Open up your profile from the top left hand side corner, and over here you could go to P2P transfer. When you actually do this, click on enable and make sure that your identity is verified. Now there's no direct way of transferring money from Binance to PayPal. So what you can do is to transfer money from Binance to PayPal, you could link the same bank account to both of these applications, and when you transfer the money to your particular or the same bank account, then from that particular bank account you could either transfer it to Binance or to PayPal. So this way it's gonna work. However, there's no direct way. So this is the only alternative way to transfer money from Binance to PayPal. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.